Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and we write that in number form as 4/30/20. And it's the last day in April. Tomorrow we start May. On your to-do list today, you'll have activities in reading, word work, writing, math, social emotional, and PE. In reading today, we're going to learn that just like when readers reread to smooth out their voices, speakers rehearse in order to smooth out their voices. So if we were going to give somebody a book recommendation and we wanted it to sound really good, we might stand in front of a mirror and practice it first before we gave our book recommendation. You'll get a chance to look at that more today in your mini lesson and then try it out on your own. In word work today, you will be doing a show what you know activity with the long A vowel patterns, and you'll be looking at the AY, AI, and A consonant bossy E patterns. You'll have words that you'll need to study and put into one of these categories. In writing, you're going to continue working on your realistic fiction stories, and this time you're going to be paying attention to making your characters talk. And a fancy word for that writers use is dialogue. And in the mini lesson, you'll get to go through 4 different ways that you can improve the way you make your characters talk in your writing. In math today, we'll be focusing some more on balancing equations. This time, we're going to pay special attention to how we can have subtraction in balancing equations. And here's an example. If we had a balance scale and the left-hand side had to equal the right-hand side, over here we have 10 minus 5. We all know that that's 5 because we know our friends of 10. Over here, we have 6 minus 1. That's easy too, right? 6 minus 1 is 5. So is this equation balanced? 5 on this side, 5 on this side? You bet. In math, you'll also have a word problem, and you can practice in Prodigy, practice your fluency in Prodigy if you'd like. And we've put another game on there for you again today. It's called Odd or Even, and we spent a lot of time talking about whether numbers are odd and even in room 8, and you'll get a chance to learn a new game in which you can practice those skills, and this is a game you can play all by yourself. And the only thing you need to do is you need to remove the kings, queens, jacks, and jokers, and whatever you have left is what you will play the odd or even game with. It's pretty fun. Watch the mini lesson to learn how to play it. In social emotional, you are going to learn about the power of yet. And yet is a word that we use sometimes when we can't do something yet, but we know we can do some things to make it happen. So there's an activity for you to try in there on that. In PE, you'll have a Go Noodle activity called Indoor Recess, which is very fun. I hope you have a wonderful Thursday. I will see you in small groups. We have a special visitor, Rashid, and we will work on word work today. See you soon, first graders.